Good morning, everyone. We are going to start at GD. First of all, you have to give a short introduction about yourself. Then we will start. Okay. In introduction, you have to just tell your name, from where you are, and your previous qualification. Okay. Now you can start one by one.
So good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Abdullah. I am from Varanasi and I've completed my BCom from Banaras Hindu University. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Saurabh Shukla. I am from Prayagraj. I have completed my BSc from Allahabad University.
In geography.
Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Siddhi Dubey. I come from Balia, Uttar Pradesh, and I am a graduate in Bachelor. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. Mishra. I'm arts graduate from University of Allahabad. I live in Allahabad. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Nisha Pathak. I have completed my schooling as well as my college studies from Allahabad, and very recently I've graduated in sciences from Allahabad University as we have told. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Ranjana Bind and I have completed my schooling and graduation from Bhadoi.
Good morning everyone. Myself Faisal Ahmed. I am from Balia and I have completed my graduation from Purvanchal University in Bachelor of Arts with 57% percentile.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ratan Jha. I belongs to Suklaganj, Janna, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation in Bachelor of Arts from Kanpur University. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Yadav. I am completed my graduation Allahabad University in Prayagraj. I am live in Pratapgarh. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dupur. I am from Bihar. I have completed my graduation in physics from Magad University. Thank you.
Okay, anyone is left? Okay. See, your GD topic is merger of public sector bank is beneficial? I am again repeating. Is merger of public sector bank is beneficial? You have 2 minutes. We will start a GD after 2 minutes. Okay, now you can start.
Thanks for
regarding to be beneficial because lost the chance.
Standing loan with the problem of structural asset liability mismanagement and governance issue in a bank. We need a merger because in this time the NPA is so large. First of all we have to understand what is the merger. Merger is the process of bring to our more separate business entity under the common ownership through a series of legal and administration measures. And I have also a pros for the merger. Merger of two weak banks with a strong one gives the capability to manage their NPA and make their profitable. As a size increase, the effectiveness of bank is also increased. The stronger bank has.
Sorry to interrupt you, but I also strongly feel same that the merger of the banks is a beneficial, but if it's done in a strategic way. Merger of banks gives us the many benefits. One of the main benefits is it can reduce the NPAs. NPAs nowadays is a very big problem for Indian banks. If a very small banks merge, then this NPS problem can be reduced, and the merger of banks can give a tough competition to the foreign banks, and also it will increase the service to the merger of due to banks. My personal experience this is when I came to the SBI, their behavior was not very good, and when I go to the ICICI, their service is very good. One of the main reason was that the SBI is a public sector bank and ICICI is a private sector bank. So I think the merger of the banks is beneficial for us, but if it's done in a strategic way. Thank you.
One more
Yeah,
important factor here is
Saurabh,
bank,
I
if we
want
merge
to
the bank,
interrupt you
then
that
will have a better geographical reach. They can reach over the areas which have been left for
under
so
a
many
common
years.
or a here is not I am talking about the private and public sector bank. So private and public sector bank also can merge with the regulation of RBI.
According to
yeah,
me,
now these days
we have to
private bank and
that
private bank
many
are not
jobs
only merged.
are lost the job, lost the chance of job.
According to my
Also,
point
it
of view,
reduces the
I
cost
believe
of operation for different banks, and banks can share their expertise with other banks. It will further reduce the NPAs, and the banks will have a better reach, as banks will help each other in reaching the areas which have been left for so many years, like remote areas, remote villages, and some public sector banks operate only in big cities, but they have a lesser reach in small towns.
yes, I
So
agree
this
with
merger
you,
will
but I
have
have a
that.
different
I
point
also
on this.
feels
What
the
I
same.
believe is that there are different types of banks in the economy. So what I believe is their policies are different. So what I think is merging every bank is not a good idea, because there can be different policies, different ways of their regulation. There's no guarantee that merging will
Sorry to
help in a
interrupt you. They are
positive way.
merging.
So
They are merging for better
there has to be a
better
proper way. There has
operation
to be
and
proper
better
planning before merge.
better way to
Merging the policies
stop
can bring
NPAs
out a
or
very wide
deal with
outlook
NPAs.
that will be very
Yes, exactly.
Way to deal with the NPS rather than
Sorry to interrupt you guys. Sorry to interrupt you guys, but I think the merger of bank will mainly reduce the problem of the NPS. Nowadays, many banks are going failed just because of the default loans. So one of the main reason is NPS. So I think if the banks will merge, then the small banks can reduce their problem of the NPS. And yes, there are many few branches of the private banks. If the merger of the banks happens, then we have more branches in the rural and urban Indias.
Sorry, friends, but
Yes,
I
yes,
have
my
some
friend.
different opinion from you, Saurabh. What I think is, keeping aside to the NPAs things and all, what I feel when rather than to merge the PSBs, it is very useful to give the equal facilitation to all the PSBs, because nowadays we have, like, I think 8 to 9 PSBs in the presence, right? If we strengthen their infrastructure, their
Sorry to
working
interrupt you,
skills,
but
so it
you
is
cannot.
My
Sorry
friend,
to interrupt
be a
you, but
good.
you
Let me
cannot
complete once.
leave the
Let him
NPS
complete.
aside,
Let him
because
complete.
nowadays the major
What
reason
I
to failing
feel,
a bank is
it is just
NPS.
creating
So
a mess
you have
between the
to
people when you merge the bank.
the
The first
NPS.
thing, and many of the people are just more tend to
employment.
have that.
That time is need to job all Indian peoples. That time India
Okay,
is not.
yes, that's what I was just completing.
Yeah,
There
sorry
is
to
a
interrupt you,
perception in the
Sorry to
in the
interrupt you, but
mind of
there
the
will be no
people
loss
that
of
they
jobs.
will do
job
We are
will
not
not
reducing jobs in public sector banks. We are further strengthening the procedure.
Crisis like NPA. Then how can you expect that those banking give a job for the youngster?
Yes, I agree with you, Prajwal. And RBI can get more ways to interact with these banks and solve provide the better
exactly
resolution
you
for
can.
their problems, as there will
Yes,
be less
exactly,
banks
Suraj.
to deal with.
What I want to say is, you can take the example of 1996
These
when
mergers can only done
current
by
RBI governor and
by the
Narasimhan given the concept of 3-tier banks, right? The first tier will have the big banks like SBI,
SBI.
PNB, and the second tier banks like the normal banks which are opened in the urban areas, and the third one was the Grameen bank
Grameen
type
banks
of
and
the banks,
NFPs.
right? So what I feel is, when we have these kind of classification of the banks in the PSB sectors, so it will give the more opportunity to the people to have the more options for them. And
Sorry,
rather
sorry
than
to
they will
interrupt.
compete
Sorry
to
to
each
interrupt you,
other.
Ratan.
Sorry to interrupt you, Ratan,
I
but
think,
they are
sorry
merging
to
the banks
interrupt you, Ratan, but I
which have
think
so many load of
without
NPAs.
clearing
They
the
can't deal with
NPS,
it.
it is not possible to function all the three tiers of the bank.
Also,
Because nowadays there are
Also,
the
they are
many
performing the
example
same
of
job.
Yes Banks, Punjab and Sindh Banks which are failed just because of their default loans. So if you have a less NPA, then there is a more chance
There
to
ha-
grow up
my
your
friend,
banks.
what I
So
feel is
we
there has
cannot
to
keep
be a
the
proper
NPS
regulation,
aside.
right? That's
That's
why
what I'm saying
RBI
also.
is
Yes,
RBI is in the
exactly.
figure, right?
Yes, yes.
So
I
there
would
should
like
be
to,
a
I would like to
regulation. If
add
you are
my
not
point here.
I feel
regulating
With you,
I
dear
feels
Ratan.
the same that the
You
But
regulation is
that's why
needed.
this merger is happening, because to
under
deal
the
with to
merger,
deal in a
we can
better
also
way.
categorize under the merger. Like you have made a head branch of PNB and the merger branch at RRB, like many RRBs existing in the same formulas.
Yes, I agree to your point in the concept of RRBs, right? Because there are many of the RRBs who are not working well, who are just shutting down their things because people are not moreover interested in that, right? So, but I feel the same in the RRB sector. But what I feel is if you have the proper regulations, if you are just regulating the authority banks very well, so they all can do their works in good way, right? So
Exactly.
there
What I'm
should
trying
be
to
no
say is
need
that
of the
exactly
So
that
merger or
what you said,
anything
I
like
would
that.
like to add to
actually,
that
guys,
only.
It's essential to have
merging
creating a
a bank only is not only taking in the
short
public sector. The merging of bank is also taking on the private sector bank also. And as we people are from a very low economic low economic, and lots of our population is actually dependent on very low income. And this when the merger will take on the private sector bank, then lots of people will not able to
Sorry to
get
interrupt
are
you,
not able to
Nipur.
get
Sorry
to
to
No,
keep
interrupt you,
you are
Nipur.
getting
service.
it
I
wrong. It
want
is
to tell
just
you that the
happening in the
India comes in
PSBs,
the middle
my
income
friend.
company,
We are not
middle
talking
income
about the
country,
private banks.
not in
Private
the
sector.
lower income countries.
Yeah,
And
merging is also taking place on the not only public sector bank. Merging is also taking
But
place
here
on the
we are
private
talking
sector
about the
bank
PSUs.
also.
The 10
Some banks are
PSUs
also
which
getting.
recently
Can
have
be
been
done
merged
with the
on
private
1st of
sector
April
bank and the
2020.
public sector bank.
Now, I have a
Merger can be
different opinion
done
as
with
well.
the
The
private
second thing
sector
what
bank
I want to
and
say
the
is,
public sector bank.
okay, what I feel, you all are just aware about the working system of the SBI. You all are aware. You
Other
must have
public
gone
sector
to the
banks.
banks, right? So what you feel
Yeah.
is the way they treat to us, the way of working they are working at this point of time is not as good as we compare to the private banks, right? I'm not
I
comparing the private banks to
sorry
the
to interrupt
PSBs.
you,
I'm
Ratan.
just
I
talking
feels
about
the
the
same. I feels the same that
when
there
we
is a
have the
lot of
three
difference
PSBs
between
or
the
four concept of three, let me
PSUs
complete,
I
Saurabh.
and
Please,
the
please
sorry
give
to
me
private
the
interrupt
banks.
you,
two
my
minutes
So
to
I
friend.
think
complete.
The
the
merger,
merger of the
Saurabh.
banks
merger
is
is
a
But I don't think that this is the
problem of
real reason
NPA,
for the
and
merging of
I
banks.
don't
This is
think
one of
I
the
don't think behavior can
one of them.
affect the NPA. Behavior of any bank can't be affected the NPA.
No, I'm not talking about the NPA.
sorry,
I just said you to keeping aside the
sorry to
NPA. What
interrupt
I
you.
feel,
I think the most
Ratan,
important thing is
I
banks can share their
strongly feel
expertise. That's
if
why
the any banks want to become beneficial banks, then the one thing which all banks to keep in their minds is clearing their NPS. Without clearing their NPS, it is not possible to get that bank in the benefits. And
Yes,
nowadays,
you are right.
government is
You
merging
are
the
yeah,
right.
banks,
But
Without
what I
and
am
the
they
saying
main
is
reason
they
is
their
the
banks
experience
NPS.
how
has
to
got
deal with
If
this
you
handled
have no
NPA.
NPA
NPS,
or
then you have
SBI,
a
you
Every
know,
bank
more
have
chance of
different
growth.
expertise.
You have
Every
a
bank
more
if
experience
they
risk
have
the
the proper
people.
regulations, then
can't function properly.
it will be implemented on the ground level as well. If they have the proper regulations, then this must be a
Yes, my
possible
friend,
thing, you know.
different experts from different banks can deal better with these NPAs
Yes,
and further
what I feel, if
give
we
a
have the equal competition, if we have the good competition in PSBs, so it will also facilitates the common people as
it
well.
will also help the
Sorry to
common
interrupt
people
you, my
and
friend.
economy as well.
How
Yeah,
can
Government
we
will
that
how
further
that's
get
why
more
government has
dividend.
also
Government
created
will
a
get more
bad
when
bank
they
dividend.
are
and
Thus,
also facing the
NARCL.
NPA crisis? Any bank can't give the equal competition when they are also facing the NPA crisis.
I
Yes,
think the most
I
Couldn't
important.
also
do it
feel
in
the
the
same as a Prajwal
one or
says
two
that
with
any bank
one or
cannot
two banks,
do
but
I
in
want
all
to
the
add a point here.
percentages
without
as a
It
clear
will
whole,
further
NPS.
we will
reduce the
have
cost
to.
of bank operations.
Yes, this can be a
Very important
Yes,
factor
bank
here.
cost of the bank's operations is a factor, but it's not a major factor. As it says that the without clearing the NPS should be the main factor while merging the banks. The
Yes,
Punjab
Saurabh, that's
and
what
Sindh
I have
Bank
already
and the
mentioned,
Just
that
Banks.
different
The
experts
main reason of the
can deal
failing
it
these
in
banks
a
is the
better way.
NPS. Yes.
so that means there should be a proper regulations, because you can
Aside
say
Yeah,
of
this happens
RBI
just
is
because of the irregulations of the RBIs, right? Because they are not
Yes.
working well. You can say that, right?
Yes,
yeah,
exactly.
that's
Sorry
why
to
this thing is
interrupt you
happening, because
because
RBI wants a
most of the
better control
NPS
over the
was
over the
created
Now
private sector bank.
by
now they
the
are forced to
own
merge the
policies
bank.
of the
Also, you see, all
banks
the
like
corruptions
S
will have
Bank and
mostly
the
happen
State
in
banks.
public sector banks,
They
because they are government
if you
employees.
if you
Government
aside of
have don't proper way
NPA,
to.
as the size is increased,
sorry
the
to interrupt you.
effectiveness of
Sorry
banks
to interrupt you.
increased,
The
and
most of the NPS which was
the
created
banks
by the
have
Sindh and Punjab
experienced
banks
how
and
to
the Yes
recover the
banks
loan.
was by their own default. They did not follow the guidelines of
Guidelines
RBI's
of the
properly.
RBI.
So the NPS was created not because of RBI's regulation. They are created by the guidelines of the those banks themselves. So the regulation is needed, but we should keep in the minds the NPS should be cleared. Without clearing NPS, there is no chance to a bank to grow.
Sorry,
What
my
So,
I'm
friend.
saying
uh,
that
according
right,
Scenario, the
but what I'm
RBI is
saying is,
also regulate the banking authority. Every banking authority regulate by the RBI.
Sorry
I
to
think
interrupt
dealing
you.
with
RBI
NPS
gives the guidelines.
was
They
not important, but
completely not regulate the all the banks. If RBI completely regulate all the banks like Yes banks and Punjab Sindh banks, then today they are
excuse me,
not a
Saurabh.
failed bank.
Saurabh, I need to, sorry to offend you, but the topic is merger of public
Sorry,
sector
sorry,
bank
no, there is no matter
beneficial?
of offense.
No, means the topic is the merger of public bank is beneficial or not. So we need to means like round up only on this topic, that yeah, it is either it is or it is
I am
not.
it
also
is
talking
So if we
about
beneficial.
talk
that.
That's why
about,
we are
I'm
talking
also
about
yeah,
it.
talking
Why this
about that.
wait,
merger thing
wait,
is
wait.
happening.
Let me complete.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, okay, okay.
You are revolving around one point, that NPS. It's okay, the NPS, but according to me, the like public sector bank is merging. They will be beneficial to public.
Sorry to
Like
you. How can you say that it's okay to NPS?
NPS is the most important factor here, because
Sorry
because of
sorry
NPS
to
we are
interrupt
merging.
you,
sorry,
Ranjana.
NPS is a
The
major
main
factor.
reason
That's
you
why
should
this thing is
understand,
happening.
one
you
by
should
one,
understand the
Let
the
me
main.
voice
complete.
is not clear. The voice is not clear. It's very chaotic.
Hmm. Sorry to
It's very
interrupt you,
chaotic.
Ranjana, but sorry to
Madam.
interrupt you, Ranjana, but
The
if
basic
today the
problem
government merging the banks,
is
then the
without
main
clearing
reason is the NPS. So
NPS,
how can you discuss the merging the banks is beneficial or not without the NPS?
Yes, on just
Please,
one
please,
point. Something
yeah.
else also.
Guys,
Yeah,
this
you
It's
can
very
merging
agree
of
with
bank
your
chaotic.
different
is
points with different
very
opinions. You can
expensive,
have that,
very
and
expensive,
you
because
can express
when we
that.
merge the banks, when we merge the more the bank with default loan and NPS, then that other bank in which they are merged, then there is lots of things which they have to maintain, their employee salary, many other things, and actual merging your bank is very expensive.
yes, I
Sorry
totally
to
agree with
interrupt
you.
you,
But
as
Agree.
you
employees
say
will
that
not be
the
affected at the bank.
salaries
That
of
everyone,
employees, these
there
are
is
The
not
point
the
that
no.
everyone
main
is making
factor.
about the,
If you have less
Yeah.
NPA, then you have a more profit. If you have a more profit, then you can generate more employment. You
More
can reach
economy,
the
and
Government can
rural
provide
people,
calculate
and
more
economy will
taxes.
also
it's
grow.
a
Banks will
more
Yeah, India.
economy.
provide
Yes.
government more dividends. Thus, for it will further increase our economy.
Yeah,
okay,
India's
what I
economy
am,
will grow,
Economic growth.
and
what
we
I
will
am
develop
saying is,
faster. I think it will help us
yes,
to
yes.
Sorry
develop
to
faster.
Indian
And
economy can't be grow
Yeah,
under the
yeah,
NPA.
guys. When we merge the small sector bank to the large sector bank, the each and every bank and each and every employees in the bank have their own proper way to work. They have a strategy to work, and when we merge that banks from the bigger bank, then that bigger bank have to just put on their decision on them, and they are not having any option just to follow that decision.
no,
They have
excuse
also
me.
many
Hello,
ideas.
Nupur. I don't think that anybody will put on their decisions, and other
Yes, that's
means like small banks would have to follow. I think when we will merge, then we will discuss it. We will they will like put on in a
I think
rules,
we
na?
have few
They will
minutes
put.
left, and
Yes.
Siddhi Dubey has some point. Let her complete.
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to do so. So, keeping the NPA aside, what I would like to mention is that the increased efficiency that the merging will bring, that is something that we really need to look forward to. And one of our friends just said that the bigger banks are going to impose their decisions on the smaller banks. So I would just like to
No.
say that that is not going to happen. Certainly, that is not going to happen, because the merging will bring different people together, but
Sorry to interrupt you, Siddhi, but you should know that the most of the small banks in India are suffering from the crisis of the NPA. Only bigger bank can save those small banks from the crisis of the
I
NPA.
agree with you. I
So-
agree with you.
I have a different opinion on this. What I believe is, if you are merging a small bank with a big bank, there cannot be a guarantee that the PSUs will work better. So what I believe is, the merging need to be done in a proper way, and there has to be proper regulation in order to get a positive result from that. So
Exactly. I
Yes,
completely
Yes, I feel, yes.
completely agree to your
Sorry to
point.
interrupt you.
And
I feel
we
that
will
there
have
said
to
the
think. We will have
some
to actually
regulation
think.
must be adopted, but the merger should be done.
There is no loophole, and this will also pass by the parliament and the regulated.
I think everyone is saying that there should be proper rules and regulations. That's
Yeah.
the need of the hour. And
There should be a proper regulations. There should be a concern of common people. There should be a
People.
common people to reach to nearby the banks, because we are just facing in the remote areas, in the village areas. There are no ATMs. There are not proper banks are there, so they have not the easy access to the banks. So if you will
they will have a
point,
better
if
geographical
they
range.
are
Sorry to
having,
interrupt
have a
you,
better
but
they
what
are
I am
having
saying
the
is,
banks.
if we can, if we merge the small sector bank to the big sector banks, then
Rather than to decrease the amount of banks, we should focus to how to regulate well those banks so that they can perform well.
So that
That's
their
a
code
big,
of
that's
conduct
a major
changes.
many
concern.
small
Merging
sectors are
will
failing
be
just because of the irregulatory.
As
If these
Faisal has
small banks
mentioned,
merge
that
with
there
the
is
big
no
banks, then
guarantee
there is a high
that
chance
they
of a good regulation and less NPS.
So, if the merging of the bank is done, definitely there is going to be a wider outlook, due to which they are going to pay attention on the rural areas as well. As
Yeah,
Exactly.
rural areas will be
I
facilitated
agree,
more,
but,
because we
by
have
the
seen
merger,
that
we can
rural areas,
also
like, they are
focus on the rural area,
overcrowded. The
because
banks are
number of branches
overcrowded.
increase suddenly.
So, sorry to interrupt you guys. The opening, sorry to interrupt you guys. Let me complete. Sorry to interrupt you guys. The opening banks in the rural areas will not get the benefits to the rural public. The rural public needs the loans, and the bank only can give the loans when it
if they have
has a clear its NPS. The small banks cannot give more loans to the rural people just because of they have a crisis of
I
the
want to
NPS.
add a
If
point
we
here.
merge
Sorry to
the
interrupt you. I
bank,
want to add a
then
point
the
here.
big banks can
That's-
save the small
hold
banks
on.
from the
Saurabh.
NPS, and these small
Saurabh,
banks can give the loans to the rural people. Yes,
Yeah,
please
that's
complete.
that's why we are focusing over the point now, that merging is important, and it's necessary for our people as well as banks, as well as their NPS. Everything will be sorted out. I think when the banks would merge, when they would come up together, then they would have a common list of
Yes,
rules and
Ranjana, I
regulations
want to add a
that they
point
will
here.
follow.
I want to add a point here, Ranjana. The small banks in the villages have small banks in villages have a lack of facilities. The bigger banks can
Yeah.
help the small banks to grow, and
Yeah, I have
they can provide
faced
the
it. I am from a rural area.
different machineries,
Okay,
different techniques.
sorry to
and
interrupt you. Sorry to
have a
interrupt you.
clear-
Your time is over now. Your time is over
Okay,
now.
sir.
You can give a short conclusion one by one.
So I'm starting. So I think most of the people here agree that but merging of banks will help our economy. The public who goes to bank or it deals with all this, and it will have a better geographical reach. Banks will provide more services in remote areas too. Bigger banks can help smaller banks to grow and share their expertise. It will also reduce the cost of operation, and governments will get more taxes and more dividends from these banks. That's why the merging of banks is beneficial, and 10 PSBs which have been merged on 1st of April 2020 will going to help us in future. Thank you.
I also feel the same. I think that there is the merger of the bank should be done in a proper and strategic ways. It will definitely decrease the problem of the NPS. And if a bank is a less NPS, then there is a more chance to grow it and reach to the peoples. It can also less the cost of the service, and it can give the better service to the people. So I think the merger of the bank should be done with a proper regulation. And thank you.
According to me, we need to understand it. Merge a bank, a lot of students lost the chance to get job. It is not good for merging the bank in public sector.
Even I thought part that the job scarcity might increase, and also India has a large amount of maybe let's say rural or the population which is not that much developed or urban. So we should first plan it strategically and also keep the ground realities in our point of view and perspective before planning a thing like merger, because this is India, this is not USA, and we have to, we still are a developing nation. Thank you.
Exactly. And I feel the same as she has spoken, as most of the speakers have favored in the beneficial of the merger, right? So what I feel is the merger is not the only option. There should be other ways to facilitate the small banks in other ways. And the major concern what we have to take is the concern of the common people, because that's what we need, right? So the access of the common people to the banks, the facilitation which they can get, should be a major concern for us, and there should be a proper regulation by the RBIs in future as well, because after merging there is no guarantee that they will develop or there will be a proper regulations of the things. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with your point that
merits and demerits are the two sides of the same coin, right? If you have to enjoy the merit, you cannot be deprived of the demerits. That are truth. And what I feel is that the merging of the public sector banks is definitely going to be a very beneficial step, because the efficiency will be increased and the NPA that we all just talked about. I think that that is definitely going to increase because of the merging of the public sector banks. So I think it will be beneficial for the Indian economy.
Okay, so wrap it all up. I would like to start by saying that
the remodeling of banking sector is need of an hour. And the merger can be done and solve the NPS problem, which is basic problem for the bank facing current scenarios. Thank you.
Yeah, if we look at the current scenario and the problems the banks are facing, the people are facing in the banks, and the code of conduct of the employees at the banks, at private sector or public sector, we experience experience different behaviors everywhere. So the need of the hour, and just to look at our Indian economy, it's just very important for these banks to get up together, to merge up together, and work together in a regulated and a mannered way. And I think, as one of our friends said, that it is not guaranteed that whether they will work in a very mannered way or it not. Yeah, we belong to that nation that we can't guarantee anything, any rules, any regulations, but if they will be in a regulated way, they will certainly help to increase our economy, Indian economy, and it will give a positive response so that we can grow.
Okay, so wrap it all up. I would like to start by saying, yes, merger is we can say that is a very expensive thing to do. Also, we need to look at that different banks have different policies. So merging them is not a very good idea. We have to have proper regulation on that before doing so. So what I believe is there can be bigger problems also if they fail. So what I believe is there has to be other ways also to see how to tackle these
Okay,
problems.
can I add one point, Abdullah?
Actually, sir,
wait.
conclusion part. This is not the GD. This is a conclusion part.
Yes,
So
yes.
each and every people will give their conclusion, their ideas.
Only one point.
Yeah.
As Abdullah said. As Abdullah said,
this is conclusion part.
This is not
Let
a good
her add, Nupur. Let her add.
I want to add only one point. I don't want to discuss over
Yes,
it.
yes.
He just said that risk. There is a risk whether it will work or not. So if we are going to set up a business, there is a risk that it will collapse, or there is a risk it will outgrow our idea. So why not take risk and do something better for our society? That's it.
You are putting up a very controversial statement, but let's not discuss it anymore and put
Yes,
forward
yes,
our
guys, don't discuss this.
Yeah,
Let
yeah.
others conclude. Let others conclude, please. We have less time.
Yeah,
Okay,
according to
someone
me,
please start. Someone please start.
not only merger of bank, not
Your
only the
voice is not
option.
clear. Your network
We
is
should
not clear.
also have to, yeah, according to me, merger is not only the option which government is left. They should also look at other option, because merger of bank is very expensive, and also the small banks, when it is merged in the bigger bank, then they used to face a lots of difficulties, and also their employees are actually having are very demoralized. Actually, they provide expertise and many other technology and infrastructure to develop, so that they can become a national bank. But there is too much lots of irregulation, and even when the merging take place, the government should the government and RBI should come with a proper strategy and the planning, so that each and every for both the banks and also even the public should be benefited in a proper manner.
Okay, anyone is left? Anyone is left?
No, sir. I
Okay.
think we have done.
Okay, thanks for joining us.